ప్రియమిత్రులారా, ఈ కార్యక్రమాన్ని వీక్షిస్తున్న మీకు ముందుగా నా ధన్యవాదాలు. మీరు చూస్తున్న ఈ చిరంజీవులు తెలంగాణ ట్రైబల్ వెల్ఫేర్ రెసిడెన్షియల్ పాఠశాల దమ్మంపేట, ఖమ్మం జిల్లాలో 8వ తరగతి చదువుకుంటున్న ట్రైబల్ విద్యార్థులు. ఈ స్కూల్ ప్రిన్సిపాల్ గారైన శ్రీ బి డేవిడ్ గారి ప్రోత్సాహంతో వీరు ఇంగ్లీష్లో విశేష ప్రతిభ కనపరుస్తున్నారు. ఈ విద్యార్థులు ఒకే వెర్బ్ను ఉపయోగించి 180కు పైగా ఇంగ్లీష్ వాక్యాలు అనేక విధాలుగా స్పీడ్ విత్ యాక్యురసీతో ఫ్రేమ్ చేసి వ్రాయగలుగుతున్నారు మరియు ఓరల్గా కూడా చెప్పగలుగుతున్నారు. 8వ తరగతి చదివే ట్రైబల్ విద్యార్థులు ఇంతటి ప్రతిభ కలిగి ఉండటం ఇంపాసిబుల్ అని చాలామంది ఇంగ్లీషు సబ్జెక్టు బోధిస్తున్న ఉపాధ్యాయులే బల్లగుద్ది మరీ చెప్తున్నారు. కానీ వీళ్ళు ఇంపాసిబుల్ను పాజిబుల్ చేసి మీకు ప్రత్యక్షంగా నిరూపిస్తున్నారు. అది చాలా తక్కువ సమయంలోనే. ఇది నమ్మలేని నిజం, అద్భుతం, ఓ వింత. అయితే సమయాన్ని దృష్టిలో ఉంచుకొని మొదటి విద్యార్థిని మాత్రమే నల్లబలపై వాక్యాలు రాయమంటున్నాం. అందువల్ల మనకు గ్రామటికల్గా వాక్య స్వరూపాలు మరియు వ్రాస్తున్న వాక్యాల సంఖ్య ఖచ్చితంగా తెలుసుకోవచ్చు. విద్యార్థులు ముందుగా వారి పేర్లు చెప్పి వారికి మీరిచ్చిన వెర్బు డూను ఉపయోగించి 180 వాక్యాలు రూపొందించి చూపించవలసిందిగా కోరుతున్నాము.
నా పేరు బి ప్రవీణ్, 8th క్లాస్. నేను డూతో ప్రజెంట్లో చెప్తాను.
నా పేరు జె విష్ణువంశీ, 8th క్లాస్. నేను పాస్ట్లో చెప్తాను.
నా పేరు బి వంశీ నాయక్, 8th క్లాస్. నేను ఫ్యూచర్లో చెప్తాను.
నా పేరు బి సందీప్, నేను 8th క్లాస్ చదువుతున్నాను.
నా పేరు ఆర్ శ్రీనివాసరావు, నేను 8th క్లాస్ చదువుతున్నాను. ప్రజెంట్ పర్ఫెక్ట్లో వాక్యాలు చెప్తాను.
I do homework.
I did homework yesterday.
I shall do homework.
I am doing homework.
I have done homework.
I do not do homework.
I did not do homework yesterday.
I shall not do homework.
I am not doing homework.
I have not done homework.
Do I do homework?
Did I do homework yesterday?
Shall I do homework?
Am I doing homework?
Have I done homework?
Question tag. I do homework, don't I?
I did homework, didn't I?
I shall do homework. Shalln't I?
I am doing homework, aren't I?
I have done homework. Haven't I?
I do not do homework, do I?
I did not do homework, did I?
I shall not do homework. Shall I?
I am not doing homework, are I?
I have not done homework. Have I?
Non-finance, to infinitive. To do homework in time gives pleasure.
Gerund, doing homework in time gave pleasure.
Present participle. Homework doing in time gave pleasure.
Perfect participle. Having done homework in time, he went to play.
Past participle. Done homework in time gave pleasure.
Voice. Homework is done by me.
Homework was done by me.
Homework will be done by me.
Homework is being done by me.
Homework has been done by me.
Homework is not done by me.
Homework was not done by me.
Homework will not be done by me.
Homework is not being done by me.
Homework has not been done by me.
Is homework done by me?
Was homework done by me?
Will homework be done by me?
Is done by me?
Has homework been done by me?
When do I do homework?
When did I do homework?
When shall I do homework?
When am I doing homework?
When have I done homework?
When is homework done by me?
When was homework done by me?
When will homework be done by me?
When is homework being done by me?
When has homework been done by me?
He said, I do homework.
He said, I did homework yesterday.
He said, I shall do homework.
He said, I am doing homework.
He said, I have done homework.
He said, do I do homework?
He said, did I do homework yesterday?
He said, shall I do homework?
He said, am I doing homework?
He said, have I done homework?
He said, when do I do homework?
He said, when did I do homework?
He said, when shall I do homework?
He said, when am I doing homework?
He said, when have I done homework?
He said that he did homework.
He said that he had done homework the previous day.
He said that he would do homework.
He said that he was doing homework.
He said that he had done homework.
He asked if he did homework.
He asked if he had done homework the previous day.
He asked if he would do homework.
He asked if he was doing homework.
He asked if he had done homework.
He asked when he did homework.
He asked when he had done homework.
He asked when he would do homework.
He asked when he was doing homework.
He asked when he had done homework.
Compound, complex, simple. I do homework, so I go to play.
I did homework, so I went to play.
I shall do homework, so I shall go to play.
I am doing homework, so I am going to play.
I have done homework, so I have gone to play.
As I do homework, I go to play.
As I did homework, I went to play.
Yes, I shall do homework, I shall go to play.
As I am doing homework, I am going to play.
As I have done homework, I have gone to play.
Being done homework, I go to play.
Being done homework, I went to play.
Being done homework, I shall go to play.
Being done homework, I am going to play.
Being done homework, I have gone to play.
I do not only homework but also go to play.
I did not only homework but also wanted to play.
I shall do not only homework but also go to play.
I am doing not only homework but also going to play.
I have done not only homework but also gone to play.
I do homework as well as go to play.
I did homework as well as went to play.
I shall do homework as well as go to play.
I am doing homework as well as going to play.
I have done homework as well as gone to play.
Doing homework, I go to play.
Doing homework, I went to play.
Doing homework, I shall go to play.
Doing homework, I am going to play.
Doing homework, I have gone to play.
I I do homework, but I do not go to play.
I did homework, but I did not go to play.
I shall do homework, but I shall not go to play.
I am doing homework, but I am not going to play.
I have done homework, but I have not gone to play.
Though I do homework, I do not go to play.
Though I did homework, I did not go to play.
Though I shall do homework, I shall not go to play.
Though I am doing homework, I am not going to play.
Though I have done homework, I have not gone to play.
In spite of doing homework, I do not go to play.
In spite of doing homework, I did not go to play.
In spite of doing homework, I shall not go to play.
In spite of doing homework, I am not going to play.
In spite of doing homework, I have not gone to play.
I do homework or sir may punish me.
I did homework or sir might punish me.
I shall do homework or sir will punish me.
I am doing homework or sir may punish me.
I have done homework or sir has punished me.
If I do homework, sir will not punish me.
If I did homework, sir would not punish me.
If I shall do homework, sir will not punish me.
If I do homework, sir will not going to punish me.
If I had done homework, sir would not have punished me.
I do homework to avoid punishment.
I did homework to avoid punishment.
I shall do homework to avoid punishment.
I am doing homework to avoid punishment.
I have done homework to avoid punishment.
I do homework and I go to play.
I did homework and I went to play.
I shall do homework and I shall go to play.
I am doing homework and I am going to play.
I have done homework and I have gone to play.
As soon as I do homework, I go to play.
As soon as I did homework, I went to play.
As soon as I shall do homework, I shall go to play.
As soon as I do homework, I am going to play.
As soon as I have done homework, I go to play.
No sooner do I do homework than I go to play.
No sooner did I do homework than I went to play.
No sooner do I do homework than I shall go to play.
No sooner do I do homework than I am going to play.
No sooner did I do homework than I have gone to play.
Having done homework, I go to play.
Having done homework, I went to play.
Having done homework, I shall go to play.
Having done homework, I am going to play.
Having done homework, I have gone to play.
I am weak, so I do not do homework.
I was weak, so I did not do homework.
I shall weak, so I shall not do homework.
I am weak, so I am not doing homework.
I have week, so I have not done homework.
I am so weak that I cannot do homework.
I was so weak that I could not do homework.
I shall so weak that I should not do homework.
I am so weak that I cannot do homework.
I have so weak that I have not done homework.
I am too weak to do homework.
I was too weak to do homework.
I shall too weak to do homework.
I am too weak to do homework.
I have too weak to do homework.
నేను 36 వాక్యాలు రాశాను. మిగతా నలుగురు 36 వాక్యాలు చెప్పారు. 5 into 36 is equal to 180. మొత్తం 180.